Is Ted coming back?
No, Ted doesn't want to come back. I don't know what Ted wants, but it's not me.
What does Valerie want?
I don't know. I just want to be happy.
Matt could make Valerie happy.
Thanks, but I don't think anybody could make me feel very good right now.
Matt could make Valerie feel very, very good.
Wait a minute. Are you, like, coming on to me? Is this a pass? Because, I mean, if it is, sex is, like, totally out of the question.
What is sex?
Sex? You know, making love? A man and a woman like each other, and they take their clothes off, and...
Okay.
Well, no. We can't, no, because, I mean, me and Ted are, well, I guess we're not, but, I mean, we can't because, I mean, you're an alien, and I'm from the valley, and, we may not even be, you know, anatomically correct for each other. That could be a real problem. No problem. But, I mean, no. I mean, it just wouldn't work. I mean, you're from out of town. The phone bills would just be hell. Well, I just don't want you to think Earth girls are easy.
What is easy?
This is easy.
Don't go anywhere. I've been paid. Oh, sweetheart.
Dad, make it stop. Dad.
What happened to my fish?
Stop it! Stop it! All right. God, I had the weirdest dream last night. All I remember is... You have the strangest heartbeat. Sounds like you have two hearts.
Yes. Don't you?
No, I just have one.
Tell me about Zimbabwe.
Gisela?
Giselle. Is it like Earth?